stories, remember, are developing side by side on the periphery of the parliament. The Cockroach Janata Party has claimed that the centre has reached out for talks following its protests. In fact, the leaders say that they are on their way to meet BJP President JP Nadda. The former President JP Nadda asserting that their demands remain unchanged and claiming that a large number of youth have joined the movement. In fact, they said that the party is confident of securing a positive outcome after they speak to JP Nadda. In fact, there is a post which is coming out from Saurabh Das who says Ashutosh Ranka as well as Saurabh Das are the ones of the CJP. They are going to be meeting JP Nadda, the union minister. In fact, that the government has reached out for talks. Our demands are very clear. The youth have gathered in large numbers. But right before that, right before this breakthrough, what had happened? Well, you can see on your screens Lathi charge which had happened on the protesters who were trying to breach the barricades, march towards the parliament. Listen in to this report which has been filed by Bhavtosh a short while back.
Have told the protesters that they will be taken into custody and they would be detained if they move from here. This is Parliament Street Police Station and roads leading towards Parliament. As you can see, the protesters and the demonstrators are trying to scale the barricade. You can see over hundreds of these protesters have moved from Jantar Mantar and are now trying to move towards Parliament. Continuously from early in the morning, the police have been telling them that any violation of 163 BNS would mean that they will be detained. Attempts are being made to tell them that this is illegal. Large number of these protesters from early in the morning moved from Jantar Mantar towards Parliament. These protesters, numbering into hundreds, have done so. The police have said that this would be violation of law. The police have been making the announcement from this van, and the Rapid Action Force have also gathered in large number. The police have said that the protest was limited to Jantar Mantar. More importantly, this protest also, these protests and protesters have been told that probatory orders are in place from 24th of July. So this protest also has an expiry date till 24th of July. With Sujit, Bhavtosh Singh for Times Now.
Well, those were the dramatic shots, but after this dramatic shot, there seems to be a bit of a climb down. Remember, on two fronts of the Cockroach Janata Party, you have a climb down now, which has been appearing since morning today. First is Sonam Wangchuk, when his wife says that he's willing to end his fast if all their demands are met. And what are the demands that they want met? Well, their demands are simple, which is essentially a promise that there is going to be a discussion on all the youth issues as well as NEET paper leak issues which have harmed the students is going to be discussed in the parliament, that there are going to be long-term reforms as well. On the other hand, you have the CJP which says that they are on the way, that they would have reached by now, even as we speak to JP Nadda, union minister. They are going to be speaking to JP Nadda to see if there is a way forward. So on both ends, there seems to be a bit of a climb down from the CJP on the front of the long fast which is being held by Sonam Wangchuk. For over 20 days he's been on a fast. He was of course then evicted from Jantar Mantar along with a few of his supporters. However, as you can see today, what our reporters are telling us, over 10,000 people had turned up for a protest march, a march which was to be made to the Jantar Mantar. What really escalated the entire matter was the fact that political parties like that of Samajwadi Party, led by Dimple Yadav, the Samajwadi Party MP, she too started marching towards the students, saying that they are going to be, that Samajwadi Party is also joining. We are going to put out the visuals of Dimple Yadav leading the protest march as well on our screens. Dimple Yadav also is holding a protest march. She says that Pani sar ke upar uth chuka hai. Now it's time that we join the Cockroach Janata Party when its protests are happening over the paper leak. Opposition's Dimple Yadav is the one who's demanding this. She seems to be the one who's leading it. And on the other hand, you have Cockroach Janata Party, which says that they are all set to have a discussion with JP Nadda in the parliament. hopefully there is going to be some kind of an end to this showdown that we have seen. Let me go across to Priyank. Priyank, would it be right to say that there is a climb down from the CJP on the front of Wangchuk agreeing to break his fast, and the CJP leaders meeting JP Nadda? If their demands are met, will this all end today?
See, Meghna, on one side, the dialogues have actually started, where the initial conversation has started in between the CGP side, where on the other side, the number of the protests which is growing up and swelling up here in the New Delhi zone is certainly a major concern for the government itself. Because so far, what we can assess that on ground, there have been around 10,000 supporters, basically students from the age group of 18 to 26 to 27 years. And on the other side, if you talk about the area in and around the Jantar Mantar, the number is certainly swelling up, and this is going to be a major concern for the government itself. Wherever you go here in the national capital, New Delhi zone, you can see the protests and the marches which is happening. But the call for the Parliament march is yet to begin, because the number has grown up so much that the CJP founders have also taken a back seat, where they have been assessing the situation, because they exactly don't know from which area these students have come here on the national capital. Every roundabout, Meghna, is totally filled with students, and these are very, very dramatic visuals. On that particular point, which you asked, that whether there will be a consensus in between the government and the CJP, we are yet to know that what is going to be the final outcome, because the manner in which the CJP has been protesting here since more than 1.5 months, the manner in which Sonam Wangchuk has been picked up, which has been protested by the CJP itself, and more and more senior leaders of various political parties joining in this particular protest, is making this case more, it's a changing and developing situation, I would say. I just spoke to Farooq Abdullah. He has also come here in support of the CJP members, and he says that the government must listen to the demand of the student, because they are the future. On the other side, after Farooq Saab has joined the protest, his son, Umar Abdullah, had also been present here for the protest, and we have seen that how other leaders from various other political parties have been, taking participation in this particular protest. But while we are talking, Meena, even if we are attempting to move even an inch here in the national capital, it's difficult for the vehicular movement, because
in fact, Priyank, give us a sense of where all should you not be there. What is the strength of the protesters on the ground even as we speak? We're seeing some of the visuals, but they are from earlier in the day. What's the situation on the ground currently as we speak?
Meghna, anyone who's attempting to move towards New Delhi zone after the income tax roundabout, the ITO roundabout, should refrain to do that, because starting from the Central Secretariat area, there have been a massive movement of the students, which has been observed, and still now these people have been moving. On the other side, if you talk about the Connaught Place or Rajiv Chowk metro station, no one should even think about doing that, because every road, Janpat, Ashoka Road, Akbar Road, then you have Jantar Mantar, then Firoz Shah Road, all these roads which are on the other side of the Kartavya Path is filled with students, because their main motto is to reach Jantar Mantar, have a sense, and wait for their leaders' call to finally march towards the parliament. The parliament march was attempted to be done by these protesters, but which could not be done. But the protesters have been detained. Around 20 of them have been detained so far. But the number is still going up. Even if I'm walking and trying to talk to you and tell our viewers that what exactly is happening. The Janpat, starting from Rajiv Chowk till the Maiden roundabout, is filled with students. These students are moving towards the Jantar Mantar, and they have been waiting for the Abhijeet Dip case call to finally march towards the parliament. Meghna.
Well, keep tracking the developments. We are going to keep coming back to you, especially for these ground reports, which are very important for people in Delhi, the commuters, to understand what to avoid and when. Even as we speak, there is two leaders, at least, of CJP who have headed to the parliament. They are going to be speaking to JP Nadda. Hopefully, there's going to be some kind of a breakthrough in the demands. But